Today's video shows our best-selling product, the low-cost 3-axis fiber optic northseeker ER-FNS-03. ER-FNS-03A and ER-FNS-03B are its two variants. The difference between the two is that north-seeking precision, ER-FNS-03A is 1 degree sec, ER-FNS-03B is 0.5 degree sec. Customers can freely choose 3-axis fiber optic northseeker with different precision according to their own needs. The first part is features and functions. Because of its strong stability and cost-effective, it is widely welcomed by our customers. The core component of ER-FNS-03 is 3-axis closed-loop fiber optic gyroscope, so it has higher stability than the common single-axis fiber optic northseeker. ER-FNS-03 can provide true north azimuth for the carrier. The second part is the core parameters. ER-FNS-03 has the characteristics of fast start and high north finding accuracy, which can accurately find north under the environmental conditions of large attitude angle. The north-seeking precision accuracy of ER-FNS-03A reaches 1 degree sec, ER-FNS-03B reaches 0.5 degree sec, and heading measurement range reaches 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Pitch measurement range reaches plus or minus 65 degrees. The third part is the application field. ER-FNS-03 is widely used in initial alignment in weapon or UAV launch systems, direction pointing and tracking in satellite antenna, oil drilling, coal mining, tunnel construction, and other fields. ER-Co offers not only standard products, but also customized products. Search the official website for more product information. If you are looking for low-cost, high-performance fiber optic northfinder, ER-FNS-03 will be your best choice. For more inquiries, please scan the QR code to contact us.